Hi everyone, when you install the Xbox app on Windows 11 or Windows 10, you will notice that the app will start automatically every time you reboot your computer. This is because, by default, the Xbox app registers itself to run a startup. Although it is convenient to get your games quickly, it's not something everyone needs. If you do not want the Xbox app launching automatically, you can change its settings to stop this behavior. In this video, you will learn the steps to stop the Xbox app from starting on Windows 11. Use these steps. First, open the Xbox app on Windows 11 and click the profile menu in the top left and select the settings option. Next, click on General. Under the Startup Settings section, clear the Automatically Launch App at Startup option. Once you complete the steps, the Xbox app will no longer launch automatically as you sign into your Windows 11 after a reboot or cold start.
If you're watching my video for the first time, please make sure to grab the subscribe button to get the thumbs up and turn on your notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.